Hello students, this is Miss McLean and I am going to go over today's math day centers that you will be doing. So the first place that you will be visiting on our math day is Flipgrid, the math Flipgrid. So when you get there, log in with your Google account. Go ahead and click on your name. And you can see it says Unit 1 Math Flip Hunt. So here's what you need to do. Read the directions first. Using the Google document, complete all 5 math centers and reflect after each center with a Flipgrid video describing what you learned. You should have 5 videos made by the end of the day. Tip: use your math journal to help you with your centers. Now, it does have right here a document that you're supposed to click, Unit 1 Flip Hunt. So click on that. This is really important that you click on this because this is how you're going to get to all these links that I'm going to show you. So the first center that is available for some students, not all students at the same time, some students, is the Kahoot Math Center. Here are the directions. With the teacher, go through the Math Kahoots, 2 of them. After the Kahoots, reflect on your learning in a 30-second Flipgrid video. How did you do? What did you need to work? What do you need to work on? So if you actually click on the word Kahoots, it will take you automatically to the Kahoot pin site. And then the other one is if you click on the Flipgrid video, it takes you back to Flipgrid if you somehow get unlinked, but you can always click back through it. So you'll be doing 2 Kahoots. As soon as you're done with the Kahoot, you're going to come over here, press the plus sign, and make a 30-second video. That's really fast. Just a 30-second Flipgrid video about how did you do on the Kahoots and what do you need to work on. The next math center is called Multiplication Color by Numbers. Select one coloring sheet. So you'll have a choice between 3 sheets. Solve each multiplication problem. Color the picture according to the color code at the bottom. When you're done, show your completed picture in a Flipgrid video. So here's what the pictures are going to look like. You'll either have a little bookworm, that's multiplication, and here's your color code. It looks like a little turkey, again with a color code down here, and finally a football player. So after you've completed one of the pictures, make sure that you go back, make a Flipgrid video, 30 seconds, show me the picture that you made. The next center is called Bump. So with a partner, complete 2 games or more if time permits of Bump. Afterwards, reflect on your learning in a 30-second Flipgrid video. How did you do? What do you need to work on? So here's Bump. So you're going to choose between either the factor 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10. So here's the materials you need. You need 10 cubes for each player, so 20 cubes in all, and a 12-sided dice. I will provide the dice for you. Directions: roll the die and multiply that number by the number in the star above. So place a cube on the product. If another player's cube is on that number, bump it off. If your cube is on that number, link the cubes together and that spot is frozen. No other player can bump you. The winner is the player who uses all 10 cubes first. So if I were to roll, say, a 7, it would be 7 times 2, and I would put my snap cube on the number 14. If I was playing against someone else and they also rolled a 7 they could bump me off. And if somehow I rolled a 7 again, I would snap the cube and this is frozen and nobody could use that. So there's all kinds of different bump games to play, and it's a really fun game. As soon as you're done playing at least 2 games, 2 rounds, you're going to make a Flipgrid video. What did you do? How did you do? And what do you need to work on? The next is a Nearpod Math Center. With the teacher, go through the Unit 1 math review. So if you click on Nearpod right here, it'll take you there and you will find out what the code is, and you'll enter the code up here. After the Nearpod, reflect on your learning in a 30-second Flipgrid video. How did you do? What do you need to work on? So you can see we're using the same reflection throughout the day, but you're going to hopefully, as the day goes by, you might start with, I struggled, and then you might finish with, I got really good by the end of the day. And finally, the last section is called multiplication, find the facts. So you're going to find all the 2s, 5s, or 10s. Complete at least one sheet to practice your fact fluency. Later, reflect on your learning in a 30-second Flipgrid video. Show me your worksheet in the video to show your learning. So this worksheet looks like this. Multiplication, find the facts. Direction, can you find all the 2s? Find the equation in the equation search. Solve the problems below and then find the facts in the equation search. So what you're supposed to do is find what 2 times 2 equals. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So you're going to come up in here and you're going to look for 2 times 2 equals 4 and circle it. So here's a 2, here's a 2. Nope. 2 times 2. No, 2 times. No, 2 times. No. Okay, keep going. This is how I like to try to find facts. 2, 2, 4. So then I would circle 2 times 2 equals 4 right there. And you go through all the 2s. Then you're going to do all of the 5s and finish with all of the 10s, as many as you can during the allotted time. And then again, going back and making your Flipgrid video. So at the end of the day, you should have 5 full Flipgrid videos. 1 about Kahoot, 1 about the multiplication, color by numbers, 1 bump, 1 Nearpod, and 1 multiplication, find the facts. Good luck. I know you can do it. I'm cheering you on. Bye.